Quick. Oh, wait.
Shit. Oh, shit. Bloody hell.
Oh, that was much better.
That was a better one, wasn't
Where's it going to land? Oh, over there. Oh no, over here. Just came on the floor there. There it is there. That's sake. No, this not landing my beer though, that's a good thing. Okay.
This is the big one.
Is it? Oh bollocks. Are we far enough away? We've been cowering against this door since every fucking one of them. Huh? Well, I still think you should be further away from the house than that, but still. That is a bit longer stick on it, isn't it? Right. Oh, fuck me, we're down there.
Right, hold on.
Something stick. Wow. Some bit of fucking sparkly shit flew in it over there. Fucking reeks, doesn't it?
Cool.
Yeah, a little bit like that fucking stuff. Yeah, it flew in it the sofa.
Well, I've had enough of that.
Which was good because it didn't go in my beer.
I've had enough.
It's not any beer. Huh? Yeah, that's enough, guys. At least made a showing. Everyone else is still going for it. I mean, it's got to be nearly 10 past 12 now, isn't it? 2010, as they say. Yeah, wake him up. Oh, Bridget will be awake because it's still the fucking afternoon over there.
Yeah, well, oh, that scared the shit out of me, Trent.
You loved it.
I didn't like that bit shooting off at the side though, that could have been any of us.
Yeah, it could have gone right in my eye.
Before I put that stuff on me as well.
But it didn't.